Bloody hell. Some people are just going to go whether there's somebody coming or not. I thought the silver one was pushing his luck, but that little BMW.
Up at 10 to 4, just like 1,000 times before, on 1,000 other days. We took a walk in Silver Springs. I didn't even say a thing, and then it all just disappeared. I was there the day the river went dry. I just watched it flow away. I just stood and watched the river die. 'Cause when all is gone and nothing else remains, you just hope for rain. Saw the dried out riverbed. You broke the silence and you said, where did all that water go? I didn't know, so I replied, it's just the nature of the tide. But you knew better. Watched it flow away. I just stood and watched the river die. 'Cause when all is gone and nothing else remains, you just hope for rain. I took you home, you said goodnight. I watched you fade into the light, and then you vanished.
This could be good.
Through the door. My skin is dry as desert air, and there's water everywhere. But I'm not thirsty. I just watched you float away. Oh, I just stood and watched the river die. 'Cause when all is gone and nothing else remains, you just hope for rain.
Right. If that end is moving, then this one must be broken. So if this ends up, that end is definitely broken. And there's not enough cars queuing here for this to not be up, so it must be broken. Yep. Broken. He got the message. Or have they actually got them open again? No, they're still down.
It's stuck down. I've just come round, that level crossing's down, it's not going anywhere. Don't go that way. Level crossing's stuck down. Alright.